In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter poll. At the end of the day, you will see how I was able to create this poll. And now to get started, go to your Twitter account or X account and click on the plus icon. From here, click on post. Now from post, you can see below it under everyone can reply, we have three little icons. Go to the third option. Now the third option is for creating polls. Go ahead and compose your question that you would like to poll. So let me go ahead and compose a question. For instance, do you like AI? And then go ahead and give choices. Maybe choice 1 is yes, and choice 2 is no. Now go ahead and select the length of time you want the poll to run. By default, it is meant to run for 1 day, but you can go ahead and choose the number of days as you wish. So for instance, we want this poll to run for 3 days. Once you have settled on the number of days, go ahead and set, and then now go ahead and post. And if we go to our profile, we can see the poll has started to run and the percentage of votes are being calculated, as you can see. So if you found this video helpful, kindly consider hitting the like button and subscribe to this channel as I create more how-to videos on tech. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.